asked hundreds of educators what AI literacy means. Almost every single one said the same thing. Knowing how to use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. And every single one of them was wrong. What it actually means is so much bigger, and by the time this video ends, you are going to see AI skill in a completely different way. Stay for number 5. That one changes everything. Here's what's actually happening right now. Millions of people are pouring hours into learning tools, specific tools that are being replaced, updated, and shut down faster than anyone can keep up with. And the schools teaching it, companies training it, and the courses selling it, almost all of them are building on the exact same shaky foundation, which is the tool. But the tool is temporary. It always has been. So today, I'm giving you 5 capabilities that outlast every single tool ever built. And I'm starting with one Einstein spent his entire career obsessing over. Capability number 1, asking the right question. Everyone is optimizing their prompt. Nobody is fixing their thinking. And that is exactly backward. Einstein said, and I want you to really hear this, if he had 1 hour to save the world, he'd spend 55 minutes defining the problem and 5 minutes solving it. 55 minutes, because a perfectly framed question practically answers itself. Now put that in front of an AI tool. Vague question, useless answer out. That's not tool failing, that's thinking failing. And no update, no new model, no better interface fixes that. Only you can fix that. But when you ask a great question, capability 2 is why you still can't fully trust what comes out. Capability number 2, judgment. And this one is urgent. AI is going to hand you 10 answers. Here's the part that should scare you. 3 of them are solid, 5 are mediocre, 2 are completely fabricated, and all 10 sound equally confident. That ability to look at an AI output and actually know whether it's right or wrong, that's a skill. You can't download it. You can only build it through practice, through critical thinking, through knowing your subject well enough to spot the lie when it's dressed up as truth. Do me a favor, drop a yes in the comment if AI has ever lied straight to your face. I want to see those numbers go up. Just, Now, number 3, this is the line between people who use AI and people who get paid for it. And most of us are on the wrong side of it. Capability number 3, the builder mindset. Right now, 2 groups of people are using the exact same AI tools. One group is saving time, and the other is quietly building the next product, the next business, the next thing that replaces your job. The only difference between them is this. Knowing how to prompt gets you an answer. Knowing how to build turns that answer into a workflow, a product, a system, a solution someone will pay for. And the people pulling ahead right now are not the best prompters. They are the best builders, full stop. And number 4, this is the one that burned me out completely before I figured it out. Capability number 4, learning how to learn. I spent 6 months doing it wrong. Every new tool that dropped, I was in there. Every update, I was watching tutorials at midnight. New release Monday morning, I'm already behind by Tuesday. I was exhausted, overwhelmed, and genuinely starting to think keeping up is impossible. Then everything shifted when I stopped chasing tools and started learning patterns like AI. Because here's what's nobody telling you. Every AI tool is built on the same underlying logic. When you understand the patterns, a brand new tool is just a new interface. You pick it up in a day while everyone else spends weeks panicking. The speed of change stops being the threat. It becomes to your advantage. Number 5 is the most important thing I will say in this entire video. And honestly, it's the reason I still believe we all win. Capability number 5, your humanity. Not your prompts, not your certification, not your tool stack. Your ability to look someone in the eye and make them feel understood, to lead through uncertainty, to make a judgment call no database can make for you, to collaborate, to communicate, to empathize in the way no model, no matter how advanced, can replicate. So here's the thing, the more AI automates, the more valuable your humanity becomes. Every routine task AI takes off the table raises the premium on everything that only you can do. So next time someone tells you AI literacy is about knowing which tool to use, tell them that their thinking is too small. The one habit changed everything for me. Before I type a single word, I take 30 seconds to ask 3 questions. What am I actually solving? What does this tool need from me? And what does a great answer look like? 30 seconds, that's it. Try this once and you will never skip it again. Just 30 seconds. I want your real answer in the comment right now, not the textbook definition. What does AI literacy actually mean to you today? I'm reading and responding to every single comment. So please let me do so. And if this landed for you, if it shifted something, send it to one person right now. One person in your network who is spending their time learning the wrong thing and doesn't know it yet. They need to see this. And follow for more AI news that actually matters.